We are going to see about how to generate PWM waves in Raspberry Pi. PWM stands for pulse width modulation. It is the technology behind the brightness control of displays. So we can control the brightness of LED using PWM wave generated in Raspberry Pi. Let's see how to interface hardware for that. So I am holding a LED. I am connecting that LED in breadboard. In anode side, I am inserting current limiting resistor. I am connecting other end of resistor to BCM 17th pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th pin. I am connecting cathode pin of LED with ground pin of Raspberry Pi. Ground pin is third pin in second row of GPIO pins. Let us write a code for generating PWM in Raspberry Pi. Go to programming menu, select Thony Python IDE. Import PWM LED module from GPIO 0 library. PWM LED should be in capital letters. Then from time library, import sleep module. Sleep module is used to give delay between LED blinking. Create one object called LED. I am going to interface LED at BCM 17 pin. So I have mentioned 17 in PWM LED module. I am going to run this program continuously. So I am using while true control statement. Next line is LED dot value is equal to 0. This line will deactivate that LED or LED will get switched off. Then give sleep statement. LED dot value is equal to 0.5. While executing this line, LED will be getting 50% of duty cycle in PWM wave. Introduce some delay. Into 1. When LED dot value equal to 1 line gets executed, Raspberry Pi will generate PWM wave at BCM 17 pin with 100% duty cycle. So LED will be glowing brighter. When LED dot value is equal to 0, LED will be in switched off condition. When LED dot value is equal to 0.5, LED will be less brighter. When LED dot value is equal to 1, LED will be more brighter. Give PWM1 as name of that file and run. See the brightness change in the LED.